Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the RG5 or the 5.5-inch Rocky Guard. So it's made out of a 14 gauge cold rolled steel that we're able to powder coat to any of the RAL colors. It's also available in a 48-ounce copper. This guard is primarily used for retrofit application. So it's going to be face fastened through either asphalt shingles or on a through fastened metal roof. Being that it's retrofit and it's face fastened, we have to worry about waterproofing. So in this application, we would first lay a bead of urethane sealant underneath where the guard would be placed. We would then place the guard, and then we would fasten it with our Woodbinder fasteners. This guard requires two. With the Woodbinder fasteners, we're able to ensure the water is going to stay out of them. They're very good at keeping water out of penetrations. Also, the urethane layer underneath is going to act as a secondary waterproofing barrier. If you have any questions on this product, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com, and our phone number is 720-379-7756. Thank you.